Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 1655 Mission Street, unit number 1037. This is in the Soma area of San Francisco, very centrally located. You can see that was the old Goodwill building right up ahead. The Symphony and the Opera is right around the corner, as well as Costco, Target. There's a discount hardware supply store which has so many great supplies for your apartment. And also you're next to transportation, buses, the subway, as well as the access to the freeway. So anyway, we just walked into the property. As you can see, there's the fitness center right there. I'm going to be going back to the fitness center. Everything's fob control. There's actually a butterfly access port at the beginning of at the entryways, which if you've used the butterfly system is really convenient to let yourself in and then know who's coming to visit you. One of the key features of this building is this wonderful roof deck. There's a gym, business center, of course, and other common areas. Okay, we're on the 10th floor. We're going into the property right now. This is what you've come to see, right? So here we are, 10th floor. This is really nice because it's right around the corner from the elevator, so making easy access. You can see a nice big closet there to store and put your clothes. Let's go into the living room first, so we can appreciate that. This is top-down, bottom-up blinds. You actually have a really nice view of the northern part of the city and lots of lights coming in. As you can see, this is a really spacious property. A nice little kitchen there, oven, range, microwave, and refrigerator, sink. Again, good space for either utilizing this as a dining room area, and then there's also a lot of flexibility to, hey, what's my hand doing there? A lot of flexibility to create a living room. Now here's the bedroom. This is a very big space as well. You could fit a king-size bed in there, and then you have an alcove that you could put a chest of drawers or maybe something else in there as well for maximum space. Really big bathroom, tub shower combination, tall ceilings. Of course, there's tall ceilings throughout. Some racks for your towels. And then turning around again, we're going to look at the closet. There's another alcove right to the right there too, which is great for a stand-up dresser drawer. And then here's the washer and dryer. So really well laid out floor plan. It feels really comfortable in here, very usable. You could have guests here, entertain, and it'd all be very, very easy. All right, just want to finish up. I told you I would go back to the fitness room. This place is huge. It has free weights, machines, everything you really need to get ripped or just stay fit. There's also a yoga room right across. There is a package room if you're wondering where your package goes. So UPS and and Amazon, all those folks can come directly into the unit and drop your packages off. There is a manager on duty as well, which makes this really nice and convenient. So all that is really good. If you're interested in this property, let us know. Go to the website. There's links in this video. Go to the website. That's where you can contact us. There's applications, and also, more importantly, the showing schedule. So you can actually see when we are showing the property, so you can RSVP and visit. We'd love to get you in here so you can look around and enjoy the park. Isn't this gorgeous? There's the fountain right there. Park and enjoy this as much as we've enjoyed it when allowed to stay here. All right, thank you again for watching.